Hi guys, my name is Saoirse. Today I'm going to be doing a bridge and bridge kickover tutorial. If you don't want to try the bridge kickover, you can just start with the bridge. If the bridge is too easy, you can go into the bridge kickover. So let's get started. To do your bridge and bridge kickover, you want to have your hands like a butterfly on the beam, holding it like this. You want to hold your hands on the beam like a butterfly like this, so that your hands are least likely to slip like this. Because if you were to go like this or like this, it would have been a lot harder for you to hold it. So to sit for the bridge, before you go into it, you're gonna lie down on your back. You're gonna have your hands, so go like this, and then bend your hands to your forehead, and then just slide them like this. So your hand should be like this. This, and then you're gonna have your feet like this, and then you're gonna push up slowly, not fast, otherwise you probably will fall off. And then that's the bridge. So if you're a bit nervous doing the kickover by yourself, you can ask a parent or a friend to spot you on it, on the beam, like this. And if you were to do it by yourself, it would look like this. But when you're in the bridge, so you're in the bridge, I recommend you going like this, putting one foot back before you kick over, and then push off. And then look where you put, when you're in your handstand, make sure you look where you put your foot down. And then from there, you just step up and then stand. This is how it would look like. Okay, so a quick recap. Hands like this on the beam. Put your foot back before you kick over. Push up slowly, otherwise you'll fall off. And look where you put your foot down and snap up. And if you're nervous and doing it by yourself, get someone to spot you. If you're struggling, just keep training your bridge, because that's the most important part. We want a strong bridge to be able to get it over. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to check out my channel. Bye, see you next time.